Namaste is not a brand, a trend, or yet another way to separate. Namaste is a chosen consciousness that cannot coexist with fear, cannot coexist with hate, cannot coexist with better than, less than, lack, unworthiness, or shame. Namaste trumps every evil, eliminates all exclusion, and turns every tear of sadness into tears of joy. So cease the senseless competition. There is no mine, there is no yours, there's only ours. Eradicate this exclusion and honorably receive the abundance of this great planet, remembering that all life everywhere shares in her rich inheritance. Lenin taught us to imagine, King taught us to dream, but now is the time to live. So get off your knees, stand up for yourself, protect those who cannot protect themselves, shed the death grip that greed and fear have on you, and stand up, shoulders back, speaking into existence the power of love that is yours to share and saturate every cell of your being. The time is now to live in love. Namaste.